میتزن به قرآن. So in these days, everyone tired of AI cloud. Why? Because it's had so many limits and many costs, of course. And yeah, this is honestly headache. But I have a good news, honestly. AI now coming to the local system from chatbot, image generation, and video generation. That's huge, guys. So in this video, I will show you the best option we have right now. So let's kick in. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to my channel. Let me make something clear here. It's so damn hot in here. Have that in mind, honestly. And I don't know, the summer it's burning here. I don't know. Let's begin. AI industry is shifting in these days. Every open source AI model, it's coming to our local system. The technology is advancing. We have a lot of advanced GPU from RTX NVIDIA to RX AMD. So a lot of AI models are running to our local system in these days. So in this video, I will show you the best option out there. But before I begin, let me thank these amazing people supporting me from around the world on my website. Thank you. And you made my journey so delightful, guys. And you can join to our community. The link in the description, of course. And if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content and spread the love. So the first one, it's about chatbot. Are you tired of this nonsense of limitation of ChatGPT? You see, you are limit until blah, blah, blah. You see, that's so headache, honestly. But in these days, we can use LM Studio. As you can see, this is the cleanest option out there. We have Llama AI, by the way, but this one is the better option. Why? Because it's have an amazing UI, simple UI. And as you can see, you can download many open source model in here, including DeepSeek R1. So let's download that. And as you can see, this is the software, and you see this is like ChatGPT and simple UI. But as you can see in here, we don't have any model yet. And you can see it in here, of course. So in order to download a model, you can go in here, as you can see, and we have a lot of options, as you can see, Qwen, Mistral, etc. And this is the file size, the information, but I'm interested, honestly, in DeepSeek R1. So let's download that and let's wait. So after a while, as you can see, we have our model, and you can select that in here and you can chat with it, and you own your privacy now. You see, that's amazing, honestly. So what about video generation? As you can see, in these days, we have LTX video by Lighttricks. This is trending in these days. And as you can see, we have that in Hugging Face as an open source, and it's damn good for open source, as you can see. You see that? But unfortunately, I didn't find any simple environment to run this one on my PC, because it's required comfy.ui, and this is nonsense with all these nodes. Yeah, I'm done with this node. I have Houdini. That's enough for me, honestly. But what I mean by simple UI is this. We have another amazing solution for image generation now. It's called InvokeAi. Let me show you. So as you can see, we have InvokeAi Community Edition, and you can download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux. And as you can see, we are downloading that, and this is the setup. And this is straightforward, honestly. You can select your target folder and the version, of course, and it will ask you if you have any GPU from 3000 series or 2000 series, and you can select that, and you can review all that and have a patience with that. It's simple and clean setup, but it will download a many library. So as you can see, we are downloading this Python nonsense. So, and as you can see, it's done and we can launch it. So after we launch the app, of course, it will download another necessary stuff in here. So after that, we have our UI. This is basically web UI, but we have that as a standalone. And as you can see, this is the UI. And it's simple, kinda. And honestly, we don't have any model yet. We can download amazing Flux open source download in here in Start Models. And you can see we have a lot of options. So it will take a while for the model. And I want to skip forward. And as you can see, we have our model and we have VEA, T5 encoder, and clip embed. This is necessary for image generator. That's why we cannot import this model to Houdini using Onyx, because Onyx it's importing as a single model. So as you can see, I have this prompt and it's using my GPU RTX 380 Ti, and as you can see, it's pretty cool, honestly. It's generating that in 1 minute on my hardware, and as you can see, the result, it's phenomenal, honestly. So you can use a many style we have in here, as you can see, just like Kriya, we talk about that in this video, and you can have something like that, and you see, it will take a minute, for example, and it will create your image. And this is simple to use, honestly, and you can use it for your concept and your, I don't know, your visualization. And this is amazing, honestly, without any limitation. And they have a many settings in here. Some of them it's easy, and some of them, honestly, I'm not expert to it. So you can play with it, honestly, and you can have your own research. And as you can see, this is the result. And it's have a layer mode like Photoshop, honestly. And it's have a node-based workflow. And if you're interested to that, yeah, do your own research. So this is the amazing environment and simplest environment to generate an image. And as you can see, this is pretty cool, honestly. So here you are. This is InvokeAi generating our image, and we are working to implement this one on PaintX texture generator. And if you're not familiar with PaintX, you can watch this video, and yeah, let's see what's happening in the future. So thank you guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. تموم شد.